Introducing Eilik, your adorable interactive companion that's here to bring a burst of joy to your home or workspace. Eilik isn't just a robot, it's a bundle of emotions, games, and endless fun for both kids and adults alike. Eilik is the perfect robotic buddy for those who adore pets, games, and the wonders of smart technology. Get ready to unlock a world of interactions. Eilik isn't just about fun on its own. When two Eilik robots meet, they chat, play, and even indulge in friendly quarrels. And when there's a group of them, it's party time. Eilik never stops growing. Frequent firmware updates and new interactive content ensure that Eilik learns new emotions, functions, and games. It's a constant source of entertainment. Eilik brings charm to your workspace. Set him on your desk and he becomes your interactive partner, entertaining you with playful animations whenever you need a break. Searching for the perfect gift? Look no further. Eilik makes for an unforgettable present that spreads joy to friends and kids. Bring a world of happiness to their lives. Ready to experience the magic of Eilik? Join the League of Happy Eilik owners today and redefine your world with cuteness, interaction, and endless smiles. Where technology meets companionship. Eilik, your new best friend.